Hey, welcome back to our channel Wellbeing with the new topic Home Remedies for Flu. Seasonal influenza or flu is brought about by an infection. A few sorts of infections can give you this season's flu virus. While there's no solution for this season's cold virus, there are characteristic cures that may help mitigate influenza indications. They may likewise help abbreviate how long you have this season's flu virus. Being wiped out in any event when you're home in bed isn't enjoyable. The blend of body throbs, fever, chills, and nasal blockage can be sufficient to make anybody hopeless. There are a lot of home cures that can lighten your indications and get you back to typical. In the event that you, despite everything, feel wiped out following half a month, make a meeting with your primary care physicians. On the off chance that you experience difficulty breathing, have a quick heartbeat, feel blackout, or experience other extreme side effects, get clinical assistance sooner. Continue pursuing to perceive what influenza cures you can invoke at home. Before starting the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't done it yet. Let's start the video. Chicken soup. Chicken soup may not be a fix-all. However, it's an extraordinary decision when you're wiped out. Exploration processes that getting a charge out of a bowl of chicken soup with vegetables, arranged without any preparation or warmed from a can, can slow the development of neutrophils in the body. Neutrophils are a typical sort of white blood cell. They help shield your body from contamination. At the point when they are moving gradually, they remain increasingly moved in the regions of your body that require the most recuperating. The examination found that chicken soup was powerful for decreasing the indications of upper respiratory contaminations specifically. Low sodium soup additionally conveys incredible health benefit and helps you keep hydrated. It's a decent decision regardless of how you're feeling. Up your zinc intake. The mineral zinc is significant for your safe framework. This supplement enables your body to make germ-battling white platelets. Exploration shows that zinc may help ease cold and influenza side effects. Zinc enables your body to battle the influenza infection and may back off how quickly it duplicates. Nourishments that are high in zinc include red meat, shellfish, lentils, chickpeas, beans, nuts, seeds, nectar. Nectar has an assortment of antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Savoring nectar tea without any difficulty sore throat torment. Examination recommends that nectar is a successful HAG suppressant as well. In one examination, specialists found that giving youngsters 10 grams of nectar at sleep time decreased the seriousness of their HAG side effects. The youngsters supposedly dosed all the more sufficiently, which likewise lessens cold indications. You ought to never offer nectar to a kid more youthful than 1 year old, as it regularly contains botulinum spores. While they are typically innocuous to more established youngsters and grown-ups, newborn children in susceptible frameworks can't fend them off. Drink water and liquids. Drinking water and different liquids is significantly increasingly significant when you have this season's cold virus. This is genuine whether you have a respiratory influenza or a stomach influenza. Water assists with keeping your nose, mouth, and throat damp. This enables your body to dispose of developed mucose and mucus. You can likewise get dried out on the off chance that you aren't eating or drinking regularly. Looseness of the bowels and fever, two normal indications of an influenza, can likewise cause water misfortune. You can remain hydrated by devouring a lot of water, coconut water, sports drinks, homegrown tea, new squeeze, soup, stock, crude leafy foods. Echinacea. A few people utilize homegrown concentrates from the echinacea plant to help forestall colds and diminish nasal indications. Exploration has indicated that segments of echinacea may bolster the resistant framework. Some have antiviral properties and may battle against influenza infections. Examination on the viability of echinacea in rewarding a virus has delivered blended outcomes to date, with certain investigations indicating no advantage. Different investigations have discovered that specific echinacea items may decrease an individual's probability of getting a cold by 10 to 20%. Individuals can buy echinacea as an enhancement or homegrown tea. Utilize a humidifier. The influenza infection endures longer in dry indoor air. This may make the infection spread all the more without any problem. Colder, open air temperatures, for the most part, lower stickiness noticeable all around. Indoor air can get dry from warming and cooling use. Utilizing a humidifier to include moistness in your home and working environment may help diminish influenza infections noticeable all around. Vitamin C. Vitamin C assumes a significant job in your body and has numerous medical advantages. Alongside limes, oranges, grapefruits, verdant greens and different products of the soil, lemons are a decent wellspring of nutrient C. Adding new lemon juice to hot tea with nectar may diminish mucus when you are debilitated. Drinking hot or cold lemonade may likewise help. While these beverages may not satisfactorily up your cold totally, they can assist you with getting the vitamin C that your resistant framework needs. Getting enough vitamin C can relieve upper respiratory lot diseases and different ailments. Get a lot of rest. It's imperative to rest and get more rest when you have this season's flu virus. Dosing can help support your insusceptible framework. This enables your body to ward off the influenza infection. Drop your standard daily practice and focus on rest to help get you in a good place again. Breathe in steam. Taking in steam from a warm pot of water can help relieve your nose, sinuses, throat and lungs. Steam inward breath or steam treatment utilizes water fume to help release mucus blockage. The warm damp air may likewise mitigate growing in the nose and lungs. Steam inward breath may assist with calming a dry hack, bothered nose and chest snugness. Garlic. Garlic may help ward off a typical cold since it has antibacterial and antiviral properties. One investigation found that individuals who took an everyday garlic supplement for 3 months had less colds than those in a fake treatment gathering. Garlic has for quite some time been a home solution for colds and this season's flu virus. Individuals can eat crude garlic, fuse prepared garlic into dinners or take an enhancement. Except if an individual has a garlic sensitivity, it is generally protected to utilize. Menthol. Blocked sinuses and clogged aviation routes are normal side effects of a cold, which menthol can help diminish. Menthol originates from numerous lots of mint plant. It has antibacterial and torment alleviating impacts and is a fixing in numerous medicated ointments. Individuals can likewise add menthol to boiling water for a steam inward breath. Albeit, a recent report found that menthol inward breath decreased hacking because of ecological aggravations. There is constrained examination on its viability in clearing clogged aviation routes. Other exploration found that medicated ointment containing menthol, eucalyptus and camphor essentially improved rest in kids and grown-ups with cold side effects. In any case, the specialists found that the dangers could exceed the advantages, as menthol can sting and bother the skin. So guys, this was enough for today. I hope these remedies work for you. Share your experiences in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.